So print marketing really isn't dead. You hear it a lot, and obviously I am definitely somebody who is an advocate for digital media. Your dollars stretch really, really far. You can target in geographically, demographically, and really stretch your marketing budget very well through digital media. However, if it's kind of that conversation of having a profile on an account personally and it being just a glowing profile, it has all the bells and whistles, and you look just like you have an amazing personality and character, and you give and you are just an amazing human, and then someone meets you in person and it's just kind of like raggedy, and you haven't showered in days and you have a sailor's mouth and all these things. Relate that to print media. So if you own a restaurant and you're thinking, I don't really need print media, we'll only need to have our digital menus, which there's definitely an argument for having digital menus. However, that doesn't mean that all of your print outlets within your restaurant don't need to be addressed. For example, signage, whether that's table tent signage in your restroom, signage on your doors, or maybe it's the sticker that you put on the to-go boxes to remind them that this is where they got it from, and to have that brand be carried home. There's lots of research on getting your logo into someone's home and the results that it has, that brand being in their home has on their connection to the brand, their emotional connection to the brand. Lots of research out there on that subject. In addition to those items, you can even look at your print as your t-shirts that your staff wears and changing those out every once in a while. It's more, has become less of a necessity, meaning the only medium available back in the olden days when billboards and flyers were the way to go, way before my time. That was a necessity. And so this conversation of, well, print marketing is dead is buzzing and it's all around. But I think that you're giving your business a massive disservice if you don't think creatively about print media and print marketing and start looking at how can I do this well. One beautiful thing is that about print marketing, as I was visiting with a physician that we work with, and for her clinic, we were discussing, she was sharing with me, we just don't really have a lot of print items. Everybody can find it on our website, which I agree with because we did her web development. You can find it on her website. However, there's something to be said for being able to have something in hand, review it with them in that case, the doctor's office, and they can write on it, they can take it with them, they can share it. One amazing thing, again, about print media is that years ago, you would have to print thousands of print pieces. Now you can print 500 print pieces and it's gonna last you a while. So now when you're making these items, you don't have to go the cheapest you can go. You can actually look at the impact your brand has in that print piece and see, does it match the value that I'm trying to get my brand or my company associated with? And if the answer is no, increase your paper type, do some embossing, do something really creative, make boxes that are customized to your brand and give out gifts in it. Be creative with the way you use print media, but it's definitely not dead.